Bro, what the fuck, man? Come on, man. At my 40 minutes, 1 hour is being wasted. I have to do this again. Come on, you see this, right? So today I'm going to be making a video on this 40 minutes of video, but nothing changed on the fucking screen. See this shit? 40 minutes of recording is fucking over. You know what? I can do it. One more thing. I will do everything that I said in the video. We would come from the bottom to top, right? So what we are talking about today is pretty simple. We are talking about the org, OX export and OTD. So what it does is pretty simple, guys. I'm recording this video 1,000 times. So let's start everything from the beginning. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Somewhat that, delete this, delete that. So yes. So this is our document, right? So how can we convert this into PDF? It's pretty simple. What you need is this tool that is org export OTD. There is an enhanced version of this, so you can see. So this is the enhanced version. You need to install this. So to install that, you can just do this. Do it like this. To check if it's installed, you can just Control X C, Control O, come here. Then if you see more than two options in the OTD, you are right. If you see only two, then you are not doing something right. Okay. So what are the information? Where to get this information? Where can I find stuff? It's pretty simple. You have to go to the org. Let's go to right. Let's search org manual and go to org manual. You might think I'm going super fast because I record this like 40 minutes, man. Come on, everything gone to waste. But come here, type OPN there's no video on this topic, so I'm just making this video. And then you can go to prerequisites and then see all this stuff. You need to install to export it, you need to install it like this. Okay, okay. We don't need that. So we can see org specific exportation. We can set the description keywords. Style file is the most important one, and then the subtitle, and then the other things. So you can set it. So let's see what is I'm rambling about. So we have our document. We have title, date, author. It's pretty simple, and subtitle include that also, and then options. Optional I will show you. I mean TOC enabling the table of content, and then heading. How many levels of heading that you want? I want 9 levels of heading. You want 4 levels of heading? You can do 4 levels of heading. Okay, 1 9. And then what should be exported as what the OTD exported as what file you want. I want as a PDF, and then this will specify the style file, but I still didn't create it. I kind of created it, but this is a new video, right? Okay, come on, man, just fucking work. And don't make me do this fucking. I'm going to do it in 10 minutes. But to dump with you lot of information. We have a heading, have a this and heading 2 1 3, right? So and then we have an image. Then we are scaling the image to double the size of the image. This is double the size of the image. You can scale it to the half of the size of the image like this. And then we are setting a caption. And then this is a org block. So this is a code block. You can say put Python code in it, anything. There's a lot of things. You can even let's open up this. I'm going to open up the readme. And then let me copy some of the stuff. Maybe it's not here, I think. Maybe let's try this. Let's try uh dot emacs dot d spf. What should I do? Where is that stuff? And example maybe. Is it here? Yes, yes. You can copy this. Then I'm going to paste it here in this file. And just for the purpose of showing you how it does the things, right? I'm going to do copy this order list. The page break wouldn't work because that's will not work. And then I will just copy like this. Remote. So this is like a normal document. We are setting the name and then the org OTD with. So to learn this, you need to read the documentation. But I'm not going to teach you anything right now because I'm just showcasing it, and I will teach you on how to set the theming. That is, I think there is no video on YouTube. Control X, Control E, Control X, Control E, O, press O to export this as a PDF, right? So to export this as a PDF, you need to specify this. If you have a style file, I will show you how to create the style file in a minute. And then let's open the PDF. You can see that this is how the PDF looks. This is looks as, but you can see right now there's a table of content, you can see, and then there's you can also see there's a code block with the highlighting of the your Emacs thing, and then Emacs, what the Emacs theme, and then you can see basic text markup. You can see all that. You can do, it will export as that, and then order list and this and that, and then this is how it will make a table, and then this is a table that is relative with. That means you can do shit like this, do cool shit like this. L12 and 6 7 6 6 6 6, right? So this is how you do it, right? So this is how you export it and set the subtitle and all that. But it does come with a default style of ugliness. It does come with the style of ugliness. So how can we change the ugliness? Okay, how to change the ugliness? So to change the ugliness, we can there's a file created like an OTD file. You can just shift W on that shit, and then it will open this shit, and then you can click on this shit. This is just the document, right? What can we do is click on this. Not You need to learn LibreOffice first of all. F11 is the important one. Click on F11 to pop out this window, and then if you click on here one by one, you can see that there's something here is moving. You can see the heading. If I click on the heading, it's moving. So let's say that you want the title, the org title, to be have a smaller font. So you can right click here and then edit. Go to font. Maybe in the general, go to font, and you can set the font like this. But I don't like that. I don't like to do like that. But I will show you how I do it. You can actually do, that's the best way if you ask me, but this is the way I like it, right? So I'm going to set this to whatever I want. I want this to be at 16. I want the subtitle or subtitle to be for 12, and then the name, the org.info to be 11, and then that's it, right? So we have this. have this one. So let's change this style so it reflect here. So you can see that it's highlighting it, but it does not match the style. If I double click on it, it will apply it. But okay, you need to learn the LibreOffice, brother. If you're going to use org OTD, open text document, you need to learn that shit. Okay. Okay, now it's selected. Now we selected this, like this, and then we can go like go into this and then update selected. So it will change this. Okay, you can see. I'm going to do it again. Update selected. Click on this. Click on that. Update selected. So if you just need to change some style, this is the best way. I'm showing the best way to do that. So let's change the color of the content heading. You know what? Let's change the also the color, right? So it's visible. Change some crazy shit, all shit, crazy shit, man, crazy shit. Let's do some red and let's update it. So update this update from selected item. Do this for also this. And let's change this style to some blue. And then update from here also. So if you want just to update like this, you can also do that. But if we click on here and then custom styles, this is all the org styles. You can see that the page, this you don't need to org source block. This is automatic, right? So you don't need to change that. And let's come here. Let's come to hierarchical. We click here and then update the style. Okay, update the style from selected. Maybe we should just change like this. This is the worst UI, man. Come on, we can do better. Let's say that we want the it should look like our document, you know. Let's set this to purple. Let's how to select the color. I don't know how to select the color, but you can see that you can click on screenshot and then go to some kind of tool with this, and pick on color picker and click on that and click on cut, and again you can just close this, right, like this. Yes, then let's select the heading and then select this and select color, select the color, and then I'm going to do this for here also. Bro, I just did a lot of things before this video, but I have to do this and go to sleep. Do this and go to sleep. I'm gonna copy, cut this, and then I'm gonna select this, change the color like that. You can also change the font, just change the font and then we can update it later there. Let's change this to also the, let's do this again. Pick color, and then we can just do this. Control X to do that. It's okay. Come here, change the color. Bharat Mata ki jai. Okay, now we got it, the colors, right? We did it. So you can go to every single one of them, change the table, and you can just go to the table, right? So what is this? Org table content left. You can change this style to even have let's see, font Roman. We can change the font to Libre LibreOffice Sans. Okay, you can set some random font. You can change the text, you can change text flow and all that stuff. Let's set it to big as font so we can see the different font family wisdom. Let's see, and then I'm going to click on OK. So it will look like this shit, and then you can update it. It's updated because we edited directly here. So now update all this stuff, right? So select this. So it's updated. Okay, now it's nice. This is also updated. All title updated. Content heading updated. And the contents we can also change this, right? For contents, I think you can just go here and then just go to the content one and change the style, font effect, font coloring, how to do the coloring. You know what, I don't want to do that, but so let's finish this shit, okay? So I'm going to update from selection, click here, update from selection, click or select update from selection. So now we created our file, and then let's see, we're gonna save, control S, save as a OTT template file. You can also save it as a test OTT file, but it doesn't really matter. TMP dash style. Save this, and then what we can do is, this is a template file, right? It does not have all the contents. It does have a content, but it does not use the contents. Now let's open Emacs, and you can see there's a template or style file. So I'm going to show you. So now, delete the buffer also page. Okay, now we are in the org export, right? So I'm going to do export without any style file mentioned here. And so it will open up the converted, and then you can see in the PDF there's no style applied because we didn't using the default style. So we are now putting the style that we created, right? We style that we created. Now let's open up org. Let's open up the org. Let's control O. Now it should look like this. Look at this. Come on, come on. Look at this, man. It does work. The org table works. The thing that we changed some to random font, it does work. Then the relative also works. You can see that everything is working as we expected. We changed the heading themes, and we did not change this body text, but you can obviously change that. Okay, okay, man. I started it in 3 a.m. I did it in 20 minutes. Uh, so where can you find the information? You can go to manual, and then to get more information, you can go here on this GitHub. The GitHub link is this, okay? I don't know if I can have energy to do this, but come on, not gate, on K, right? This is the link, okay? Let's just copy this. If you have KDE, you can just do, if you're watching the video, you can do like this and extract it You can even open it in that also. You might have if some kind of bugs, but you can type that one out. So what I want to show you next is in the discussion. If you have any question, you can go to the discussion, ask there, and then you can also ask in the Reddit. There's a Reddit. Again, there will people will help you out. Go into org mode. You can see here org x org mode. You can just come on. Where's the org mode? No, it's not going it. Org mode. Yeah, you can see that, right? So org export. You go here and then ask some question. They will help you out, and you can even ask in Emacs Reddit. And then there is no video on this on YouTube, so this is the only video that is will be useful. Pretty much nobody cares about open text document anymore, I guess. Maybe there's literally video from 11 years ago. Come on, man. 11 years, nobody making a video. So I just made this video. So thanks for watching this, guys. If you have any questions, shit, I don't know anything, ask AI. Come on, man. It's the world of the AI. Ask AI the questions. If you have any questions, take the manual, then create a text file from that and upload it to the Gemini AI. And then ask the question with the extended thinking. Select that option that it will do that one. So thanks for watching this video. I think this is not to the full to the extent of the video that I recorded previously. That is 40 minutes. Super details go into everything, but it does but it does not work. I will show you in the beginning of the video, but I hope this helps someone. I showed you how to install it, how to create the styling file, and I think there's one thing, man. One last thing. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. You can import template. The what should I tell you? You can import the basic template, right? Control X, Control E, or export dispatch, and then once you are here, and then press the Shift 3. That is a pound sign, the hashtag, and then press OTD. Then it will import this. Will do this. You can easily fill out this one, and I want to show you this. There is an example files. I will show you guys. So in this is our document. It comes with a lot of selling, highlighting, page break, and all that stuff. You can see. So let's see how this looks in a PDF, right? So this is the PDF export. So I just want to show you what it can do. So this is a table of content, and then the title and all that. And then there's please, you can see that, and it also has it also has this thing that is org export, and then there's a useful commands. That's not we are talking about, but you can see you can do shit like this within Emacs, within the styling that you can do in the heading. You can see ai.org. I asked AI to create, so I can just get inspired by it. You can see there's a lot of style file. You can info box. Info box looks like this. Where's the info box? Page break, info box sellout. So you can see info box looks like this. Warning. You can see the warning box. That's somewhere here. What I menu? Info box. Let's go here. So this is how you do it. So this is converted into here. You can see this is converted into here. To get this file, so to get this ai.org file, you can go to my GitHub. You just type this capital A and then capital GFX, KYAKO GFX dot tmx dot d. Come here, go to org, ox, OTD, and then maybe readme, and then org.ai, org.ai. Here is that. That's how, man. It seems simple, but it's also complicated in a sense that okay, I'm going to go to sleep. It's been like 2 hours of recording video and then I am lost in my voice. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.